So what is synthesis? What do we mean when we say we want a synthesized literature review? So there is the thing that every time you are going to review the literature, you're going to read those papers individually, right? And each paper tells you something. And most of the times what people do with the literature review is then to say, I read Dube et al., this is what they said, and then I'm trying to see the names, Tati. Then I read Tati et al., this is what they said. I read Ayaka et al., this is what they said. Then I read Helena et al., and this is what they said. And then they stop there. But this is just really an overview of the things that you have read. And I like to say, these are your private notes. No one should ever see those private notes. It's not synthesized. You're just giving us a list of the things that you find in the literature. So what is synthesis? Synthesis is getting those things to speak to each other, right? So once you have actually taken Dube et al., Tati et al., Ayaka et al., Helena et al., you put them on the side. Then you say, oh, look, Dube et al. And Tati et al. Agree on this particular point. They think that this is important. But if we look at what Helena is saying, Helena et al., they have a completely different view. So you are starting to build a narrative based on the things that you are reading. You are poking holes in the literature that you have read by exposing where there is alignment, where people actually generally agree. You expose where there is some disagreement, whether it's explicit or not. And then this is how you are finding the gaps in your literature.